PEGA is a BPM tool. BPM stands for Business Process Management. Business Process Management. Business Process Management. What is Business Process Management? PEGA falls under this discipline. BPM is just discipline. Whatever tool which has these characteristics can be known as BPM tool. It's just discipline under this discipline. So there are so many BPM tools available in the market. Among these, as per the report, which is Gartner's report. Gartner's report. This Gartner's report, they will survey every year which BPM tool is the topmost among the other BPM tools. So they will survey every year. PEGA is a topmost BPM tool among all other BPM tools. Like we have Appian, IBM Appian tool, IBM BPM tool, IBM BPM tool. Like we have so many types of tools, BPM tools. These are the BPM tools. Among these, PEGA is the topmost one. I'm not saying that. You can separate. You can Google it and find the BPM, Business Process Management. Is it enough to know the abbreviation? No. What actually BPM is, we have to know BPM in detail. BPM means, here, BPM means it improves the performance, business performance, improves the business performance by optimizing or managing business process. Managing business process. How it will improve the business performance? How it will improve the business performance? This one. How it will improve? First, we have to know the business process. First, we have to know the business process. Every business undergoes some process, like some DMart. We have the DMart, right? Some supermarkets we have. So there is some process behind that. Suppose in retail store, if any item is missing, means we'll find out. If any supervisor can do that. If any item is missing, then supervisor will monitor every day. If any item is missing, vendor and approvals from manager. Then after that, he will keep the item in the store. Some business process behind that. So suppose I have loan application. This is the best example to understand the loan application. For loan application, what we have to do? First, what will they do? First, collect personal information, like our first name, last name, like address, some details they'll collect. Then after, collect professional information. Professional information like what is our salary and what is the annual income, what is the designation, like. Then after, collect the documents. Collect all documents. All documents. How much loan we are expecting? Then we will take collect the all documents like company ID card, company ID card, and pay slips, like. Then after, they'll do the investigation. Then they will do the investigation. Sorry, and one more thing also. They will collect loan information also. Loan information. What type of loan we need? Is it personal loan or home loan or vehicle loan? Vehicle loan. Then they will do the investigation. Once the investigation is completed, after doing that investigation, manager can approve. Either he can approve or reject. Once if manager will approve, then the payment transaction will be done. Payment process will be done. If the manager approve, then the process will be start. Otherwise, if if he will reject, then the process will be end. This is the business process. For every any application, there is some process like this. So we can able to see that in the supermarket, if we purchase any item, behind all this process will happen. What are we going to do using this BPM tool? What are we going to do using this BPM tool? We are going to managing the business process. Into the business process and are managing the business process. How you are going to managing this business process using BPM tool? The same thing, whatever I am saying, like managing business process, you can do using programming language like Java or other thing as well. But we have to know how it is different from other languages. I will show you one thing. This is what is BPM stands for. BPM stands for Business Process Management, which provides the ability to have end-to-end visibility and can control over all parts of multi-step transactions that spans multiple applications and people in one or more organizations. To control each and every step in the business process using this business BPM tool. How in a sense, we are going to develop the flow. Like I have a simple flow. This is the flow. See here. Start button, enter the card or PIN number. Here they will make the decision, verify number. If it match, then process the transaction. Otherwise, this process will be end. Like this, we are going to develop a flow for business process. Means You are going to control each and every step in business process automatically by developing the flow. Here we will make the decision, right? You are controlling each and every step here. So once this step is complete, execution comes to decision making. Once the card number will be entered, then verify the number. So this completed execution will come to decision. If it match, it will goes to write this, process the transaction. Otherwise, it will be end automatically. How it is different? You might not be developed a flow in Java or somewhere. You might not be able to control each and every step using a flow. But how it is different from BPM and other application like Java? The same application using Java or other thing, how in a sense, less that what trying they are explaining. When we develop any application in traditional language, traditional programming language, here, traditional programming, there is some UI logic data. When we develop an application in any traditional, uh, oops, we design UI, define logic, access data, keeping all these elements separate from for reusability is what entire development is all about. But in BPM, using BPM, we still develop UI, apply logic and access data. But the presentation of our UI, application of our logic and accessing the data is coordinated by a defined process.